AP MLHP notification 2021. Name of the authority is Andhra Pradesh Health Department Recruitment of Board. Name of the post is mid-level provider post and the number of posts are 7,000 vacancies. In financial year is 2021 to 2022. Educational qualification is BSc Nursing. Notification release date is June 2021. These posts are zonal wise recruitment. Zone 1 is under districts are Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Vizag, and Zone 2 is East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, and Zone 3 is Gunduru, Prakasham, and Nellore, and Zone 4 is Chittur, Kadapa, Anantapur, and Kurnool. These are the covered districts in zonal wise. Then coming to exam centers in Zone 1 is Vizag, that is Vishakhapatnam, and Zone 2 is Rajmahendravaram and Vijayawada, and Zone 3 is Guntur is the examination center, and Zone 4 is Tirupati and Kurnool. Age limit. Candidate must have an age between 18 to 35 years and 40 years for SC or ST, and age relaxation will be applied as per the candidate's reservation wise. That is, the OBC candidates are eligible for 3 years of relaxation, and SC ST candidates are eligible for 5 years relaxation. Then coming to syllabus of the MLHPs for entrance exam. In that, anatomy, sociology, physiology, pharmacology, and nutrition. These are the syllabuses are coming from the 4 years of the nursing studies. And pathology, genetics, biochemistry, medical, surgical nursing, and nursing education, nursing foundation, psychology, communication and educational technology, and microbiology. Midwifery and obstetrical nursing, introduction to computer and community health nursing, English, nursing research and statistics, management of nursing services and education, child health nursing and mental health nursing. These are syllabus is covered in 4 years BSc nursing. So revise all nursing subjects. Then educational qualification. Candidates must and should complete BSc nursing from recognized university, and no cut-off pass percentage required for AP MLP jobs 2021. And BSc nursing, no preference is given to higher studies. This is the notification for MLHP jobs in 2021. And coming to online application fees, the application fees is 300 rupees for OC candidates, and no application fees for OBC, BC, SC and ST candidates. Then coming to AP MLHP selection process. The selection should be completely depending on examination pattern, and the number of questions are 200 MCQs. Language is coming in English, and the time duration is 180 minutes for that is the 3 hours. Qualified marks is 50% for OC, 45% for PH, and 40% for SC ST. Final selection for MLHPs must pass the bridge course conducted by the IGNOU. 40% MCQs come from community, 30% MCQs come from OBC, 15% MCQs come from pediatrics, and 15% MCQs come from nursing foundation, medical surgical nursing, anatomy and physiology.